Prices with Gelato are easy to set. All you have to do is select your profit margin, and this could be a percentage or this could be a dollar amount. So you could say set profit to, maybe each one's going to be a $5 profit. It depends on where you're selling this. Do you have a social media following? In which case, you don't need to spend money on marketing. Maybe you want to just give back to your fans and you can keep a lower profit here. Or maybe you do have some marketing spend and you need to really figure out what that's going to be and make sure your margins are appropriate for that. So the good thing is this is easy to change. If you choose a price and then later realize you're spending a little bit too much on running ads, for example, then you can come back and change this at any time. But the Gildan 5000 is fairly cheap. $10 is all we're looking at, plus $5 shipping. And then with your profit, 19 bucks for a t-shirt. We could also change these and say, all right, let's make sure that these are all just like 20 bucks. So maybe you can customize this and say $20 for that one, and a nice even 20 for the shirt. I think makes a lot of sense. You get $5 profit, which is a little bit low. I would like to see that a little bit higher, but it's something that, again, you can customize for every design and every shirt.